What's going on, guys? My name is Wade with TechDaily. So it's been a long time since I've sat in front of the camera and filmed a video. I feel like a lot of you guys maybe have never even seen me before. If that's the case, hi, how you doing? Nice to meet you. But I felt compelled to make this video because we recently passed 100,000 subscribers on the channel, which is just a huge accomplishment. And I wanted to make sure I not only acknowledged that, but also showed my appreciation for you guys. I, of course, also received my 100,000 subscriber YouTube play button plaque, which is just so cool. This thing is bigger and heavier than I thought it was, and I'm really excited to have it hanging on my wall behind me now. To be totally honest, this has always sort of been the ultimate goal for me. I thought 100,000 subscribers was a big milestone, but something I could at least achieve. And while it did take a couple of years, we did finally get there. In fact, we actually smashed through 100K pretty quickly now already, which is just crazy. The growth on the channel this year has been incredible. I've never seen so many new subscribers come join the channel before. Every video I upload also seems to do well, which is just amazing. And I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you who watches the videos, whether you're a new subscriber or have been around for a while. So thank you for the support, and I'm really looking forward to keeping the videos coming for you guys. If you didn't know, making these videos is my full-time job, actually, and I feel incredibly fortunate to get the chance to do all of this. It's a lot of fun to check out all the latest tech and create the kinds of content that you guys enjoy. And however you watch my videos, whether tech is a big hobby of yours like it is mine, or maybe I helped you with a purchase decision and you stuck around, or maybe you just like listening to my voice, whatever it is, just know that I really do appreciate every view and every like and every comment. It can be a bit overwhelming at times for me to sort of manage it all, but I really like responding to as many comments and questions as I can that you guys leave on all the videos, good, bad, or otherwise. I love helping out when I can. I obviously love talking tech, and I'm really appreciative of the fact that this whole YouTube thing is what I get to do. Being a YouTuber has really allowed me to feel like I'm never really working because I really do enjoy it that much. And while it's great for me, in the end, I do it all for you guys. So thank you for the support. And let me just say this too, if you want to be a YouTuber, you should absolutely pursue it. If you like being creative and making videos, or if you just like entertaining people or sharing your opinion, or if you feel like you can help someone with your content, this is really a great platform to utilize. And I guess in a broader sense, you can turn anything you're interested in into a business, really, if you want to take it that far. I don't want this to turn into a sleazy sales pitch. I'm not here to shill some terrible make money online scam or anything like that. But like I said, I've just been so incredibly fortunate to get to do YouTube as my full-time job for the last couple of years now. And I honestly would want anyone who's interested in this to be able to do it too. So that's why I was recently approached by the fantastic folks at Graphy to create a comprehensive guide on how I turned this whole YouTube tech thing into my full-time job. If you don't already know, Graphy is a new app. It's a learning platform where people like myself create interactive books with video lessons and other visuals to teach people what we know. I created my Graphy in the hopes of teaching people how to create an online business by reviewing products, any products, not just tech like me, but whatever you're interested in, and making those great reviews for like YouTube or Instagram or a website or anywhere else. I pretty much offer up everything that I know. There's hours and hours of content that includes everything from making YouTube video reviews to affiliate marketing to getting companies to send you free stuff and everything in between. And it's probably the most honest and candid look at this whole YouTuber review thing. I don't know of anyone else who really offered this kind of content before. I know this isn't something too many people are interested in, but again, like I said, I'm not trying to like shill some overpriced $1,000 class like a fake financial guru. That's not my goal at all. If just a couple of people, or I guess even if just one person finds it useful and helpful and it allows them to become a tech YouTuber like they always wanted to be, or maybe they want to start a fashion blog from their home that brings in some extra income, then that's all that matters to me, as long as my Graphy helped someone along the way. And if you aren't interested in that, that's totally cool. I'd recommend checking out Graphy anyway. They aren't paying me at all to advertise for them, but a lot of other creators you might already know also created Graphies. Sam Beckman, for example, has a similar Graphy on making really good looking tech review videos. There's stuff on like art, drawing, photography, coding, web design, dance, and all sorts of stuff. And content is being added all the time, so you might find something you're interested in. But none of that stuff is the point of this video. The big takeaway is that I really and truly appreciate each one of the over 100,000 of you guys now who have chosen to subscribe to the Tech Daily YouTube channel over the years. So thank you for the support. Thank you for watching, and I'm really looking forward to creating even more stuff for you guys soon. And if you want to see me cover anything in particular on the channel, any phones or gadgets or anything else you like, let me know in the comments down below. I'm always looking for suggestions. But again, thank you all for the support, and I'll see you guys later.